Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke uqala ungena kuleli khasi, sicela ucofe ibhathini, ulike, ushare, khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Uhulumeni Western Cape usunike othisha incwadi, inothisi yokuthi uzobadiliza. Kodwa-ke ePhalamende bayayiphika lento le, bathi akunjalo. Kodwa-ke before sibone ukuthi-ke ubani ongasitshela iqiniso, ake sizwele othisha bezikhulumela. Mase-ke siyozwa ivideo futhi yasePhalamende, sizwe ukuthi bathini. Wena-ke mase uyaphawula la ngezansi.
As a teacher for quite some time, but receiving this circular notice indicating that come February you will be unemployed, your immediate reaction to that?
I was flabbergasted. I could not believe how can the department sacrifice the future of children in South Africa. And given our history and what has to be done in order to improve the education system, how does it make sense to cut or to get rid of the engineers of basic education?
Cape and the Western Cape, mind you, where the DA governs and 2,000 teachers are currently facing the chop. We are getting rid of teachers when we should be hiring teachers.
Mhlonishwa sicela umhlonishwa umbatha umbuzo olandelayo. Supplementary question from Honorable Mbata.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I will take the question on behalf of Honorable Mbata.
I was thinking now we are in Zizonke 176 channel. Honorable, ready?
Thank you very much, Speaker. The GNU must not lie to this House and lie to the people of South Africa. The fact of the matter, Speaker, is
Order.
that we need to face the facts.
Honorable Member. Order. Can you take a seat? Honorable Zagude.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. The word lying is unparliamentary. So we don't use that word in this House. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Member. Just to indicate that the word is not used to a reference to a member. So the order is not sustained.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. It's time that we face the facts. The education of the black child has not improved under President Ramaphosa and this GNU. Former President Jacob Zuma said, education is the powerful weapon to change the world.
Order, honorable members.
The truth is told, people can't accept the truth. Yet, under this administration, Speaker, that weapon has been blunted. And what you see in provinces like the Eastern Cape and the Western Cape, mind you, where the DA governs and 2,000 teachers are currently facing the chop. We are getting rid of teachers when we should be hiring teachers. In the Eastern Cape, there is a school.
Order, honorable member. Can you not drown the member?
School. Minister, in the school in Kaleni, in 2017, 2 blocks were burnt. Up to today, those schools have not been rebuilt. The classes have 140 children sitting in the class. There's no learners to teach those kids, and they're all black children. So that's where we come from. There's no future. Let's go to the question. I ask you, what concrete steps are you doing,
honorable members,
to address?
Order. Honorable members, you are not helping the minister. She's trying very hard to listen to a question. Order. Order. Ministers. Minister Majotina, can we please be in order? Can you please ask your question? Your time will be running out soon.
Speaker, what concrete steps have you taken to address this crisis, particularly of the future of the black child in this country? And what real progress has been made to ensure that black children receive the education that they are entitled to? I thank you, Madam Speaker.
is an obsession of mine. And so I want to also address the issue. It was part of the question, but not really. But I do want to quickly address it if I've got time. The issue around chopping teachers. Remember, we are not chopping teachers. And as a leader, I really want you to be careful with how you utilize your words, because it's important that we don't mislead the public. There is a big fiscal problem and a crisis in South Africa where we need to look at how do we help provinces retain the current basket of posts that they have. We have not fired teachers.
Order, Honorable.
Fired teachers, member. I'm saying it's important as a public leader that you don't mislead the public, because people look to you to make sure that you inform them properly. And if we have people in this house who are misleading the public, then we are in for a rough ride. No 2,000 teachers have been fired. We have to get that right. The point is we're engaging Treasury.
Point of order, Speaker. Point of order, Speaker.
Order. Honorable Minister. Your time is up. Order. At the time, Honorable Reddy, you raised a point of order. The minister's time had already been concluded. So what is the point of order?
The point of order, Speaker, is that speakers should address you as a speaker. But the minister there is, Honorable Minister, is speaking directly to me unless she wants to make me the speaker.
Order. I'm very happy, Honorable Reddy, that you raised that question, because you are the first one to broke it. So I think next time, when we raise points of order, when it hits the shoe, we must remember that we started. So for all of us, we must address the chair when we respond. But obviously, when ministers are responding to questions, they're responding to questions that have been asked by members. So they will, let's not speak to the camera, because unfortunately the camera sometimes doesn't do it well for us. Can we now move to the next honorable member, Honorable Dr. Boshoff?